Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing prawns fry recipe in two different ways. Wash 12 prawns. Clean the prawns but leave the shell near the tail and the tail. Devein the prawns. Slit the prawns in the center like this. Now add salt as required. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, juice of half lime. Mix well. Keep aside and let it marinate for 10 minutes. In a bowl or plate, add little flour, add little salt, add 3/4 teaspoon of chili powder, 3/4 teaspoon of black pepper powder, mix well. In another bowl, add 1/4 cup of semolina, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix well. In another bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt, beat well. In another bowl, add little cornflakes crushed slightly. 6 prawns I will coat with semolina and the other 6 I will coat with cornflakes. First coat the prawns with flour, press it slightly, then dip in the beaten egg and then coat with semolina. Now I will coat rest of the prawns with cornflakes. Coat the prawns with the flour, then dip in the beaten egg and then coat with the crushed cornflakes. Press the prawns with the cornflakes slightly while coating. Heat oil in a pan and shallow fry the prawns on medium flame. First I am frying the prawns which are coated with semolina. By the way, if you like my videos, do click on the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. After frying the prawns, transfer the prawns onto a tissue paper. Now I am frying the prawns which are coated with cornflakes. After you finish frying, switch off the flame. Delicious prawns are now ready. Thanks for watching.